In the ever-changing world of smartphones, the anticipation for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is reaching new heights, fueled by promising rumors and leaked images of dummy handsets. Let's delve into the intriguing details that make the Galaxy S24 Ultra truly stunning. Recent leaks have provided a sneak peek into the under-the-hood changes that the Galaxy S24 series is poised to bring. The design cues, as captured in dummy units shared by Sonny Dixon on Twitter, showcase a familiar yet refined aesthetic. Notably, the Galaxy S24 Ultra stands out with its sleek and flat sides, marking a departure from the once signature curved edge displays. The flat, shiny sides, USB-C ports, and individually mounted rear cameras with metal housings evoke a sense of continuity with the Galaxy S23 series. However, the Ultra variant introduces sharper edges, further distancing itself from the curved back panel, a noticeable shift from its predecessor. The move towards a flatter design aligns with the evolving trends in smartphone aesthetics. While the leaked dummies exhibit a white colorway, it remains uncertain if this will be an official option for the S24 series or merely a placeholder. Rumors hint at color options such as black, gray, violet, and yellow for the S24 Ultra, suggesting a diverse palette for consumers. Noteworthy changes are observed in the camera setup, particularly on the Ultra model, where secondary cameras appear slightly smaller. Speculation surrounds the possibility of a single telephoto camera with a 50-megapixel resolution, departing from the dual 10-megapixel zoom cameras of the S23 Ultra. It's essential to note that these observations are based on dummy units and the actual specifications may vary. As we eagerly await the official unveiling, reports suggest the use of Gorilla Glass for front and back panels, with a potential addition of titanium side rails possibly exclusive to the Ultra model. The emphasis on premium materials aligns with Samsung's commitment to delivering top-tier smartphones. Despite the absence of display details in the leaked images, speculation regarding the internals of the Galaxy S24 series is buzzing. Talks of a mix of custom-tuned Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and Exynos 2400 chips, a 144Hz display for the Ultra model, and the incorporation of on-device generative AI capabilities through Samsung Galaxy add to the excitement. Mark your calendars, as Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy S24 series in either January or February of the upcoming year. The leaked dummies have undoubtedly piqued our curiosity, and as more news and leaks surface, we'll be sure to keep you informed. Share your thoughts on the revamped S24 lineup in the comments below, and for the latest updates, stay tuned to our channel. Until next time, peace out.